Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my January 2022 IPSY Glam Bag unbagging. So this here is the $13 a month IPSY Glam Bag. You know, if I'm thinking about it, this one is probably my least favorite out of all of the beauty subscriptions that I get. Even though this is the cheapest of my beauty subscriptions, I feel like I get the least value in it, and oftentimes I get tiny samples. Oftentimes it's not really well curated to my preferences, but I shouldn't jump ahead because maybe I'm gonna love this month's glam bag. At least you do get to choose one of the products in the glam bag, but I mean with the glam bag plus I get to choose 3 of my products, which is so much better. And speaking of my glam bag plus, that is already unbagged. That video is already up here on my YouTube channel, along with both of my other BoxyCharm boxes. So if you like beauty subscription unboxings, I also do other kind of random unboxings thrown in as well, then I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like to see makeup reviews, it would be perfect for you to subscribe to my channel because I do a full dedicated review video on all of the makeup products that I get in all of these beauty subscriptions every day. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what is in, oh my gosh, this really cute bag this month. I love this. This is very much my taste. It's rainbow, but like kind of pastel, so cute. I have some products in there. Does seem like, yep, I have one product that's also in the mailer here that didn't fit in. Ooh! And this is a makeup sponge. I'm excited to try this out. It's from the brand MOTD, Dab and Tap Makeup Sponge. I am not familiar with this brand. It's latex-free, cruelty-free, vegan, and I love my makeup sponges. That's what I use to apply my makeup every day, and I'm very particular and picky about my makeup sponges, so I am so excited to put this to the test. Let's see if I have product information on here to let you know what that retails for. No product information on this card. I couldn't remember if I normally get product information on the $13 IPSY Glam bags. I kind of think that I normally do, but I got the exact same card in both of my glam bags, but that's okay. I really like the IPSY app, so I'll just reference that instead. And by the way, I am not sponsored by IPSY or BoxyCharm, so I pay for all of these products, and if you are interested in signing up, I do have my referral codes in the description down below, but it's the same referral code that anyone who gets IPSY or BoxyCharm gets. So anyone that has a subscription automatically gets a referral code to send to friends. So that's what I have down below if you are interested in signing up for either of those. So this MOTD Cosmetics Dab and Tap Makeup Sponge retails for $6. I love to see a well-priced makeup sponge because I definitely do not think you have to spend a lot of money to get a good makeup sponge. Like, I don't think you need to buy a beauty blender for it to be a good sponge. Like, I've gotten fantastic sponges from Shop Miss A that are like $1 or maybe $2 depending on the type of sponge, and that's usually what I stock up on. So this seems very promising. Up next, oh, see, this is exactly what I was talking about. This is a tiny sample, and it's also deceiving. Look, because it kind of looks like it's maybe like an inch big. It's completely empty, hollow on the bottom where there is literally, and it's not even filled up to the top here. There is literally probably like a centimeter of product in this packaging right here. And this is from the brand Honey Jarray, another brand I'm not familiar with. Lip Sleeping Mask in Lemon Honey. That is like rude that they would send such a tiny sample. And I love sleeping masks, so I'm excited to try this out. And I love trying out new makeup brands, but I'm kind of mad at this makeup brand for sending me this tiny sample. So that's why it goes back to what I was saying before. I really don't see myself getting the $50 worth of value in the IPSY Glam bag, but let's keep going here. Next up, Oh, this is from one of my favorite brands, Pure Lease. And this is the Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream, SPF 40. I am obsessed with the Pure Lease BB and CC cream line. I think I've tried out all of the products so far. So, I mean, this is a small sample size, but it's not terrible. I got this in the shade Fair. I usually am, I think, the shade light medium in the Pure Lease product, so hopefully this shade will work for me. I'm sure it's going to be fine. But this is a product that I have already tried out and that I have a full dedicated review video on here on my YouTube channel, so I will have that linked in the description down below. All right, next up, oh, this looks like a familiar product. This is from Goldfaden MD. It's the Light Treatment Dark Spot Corrector. You know, I actually don't think I've tried this one out. I think the packaging just looks the same on a lot of their products. It says, this intense multi-corrective pigment control emulsion helps to reduce unwanted dark spots and maintain natural hydration for radiant skin. So I am really lucky right now that I don't have dark spots on my skin. So this is a product that I'm probably just going to hold on to for when I do need it. But Goldfaden MD is a great skincare brand, so I definitely prefer to get makeup rather than skincare, but this is a type of skincare product that I don't think I have in my collection yet, and from a brand that I like, so I'm happy to get that. Oh my gosh. And my fifth and final product is a teeny tiny sample, but it's so cute. And this is the product that I chose. I was so excited to get to try this out. The Tarte Ultra Creamy Shape Tape Concealer. I have been wanting to try out the other versions of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer because I love that concealer, but I ran out of it. So I had been meaning to purchase one of the newer versions. So I was so excited to see this as an option. So at least this way I can test it out and see if I do want to purchase the full size. So yeah, I got really tiny samples in this glam bag. I'm actually really bummed. There is no way I got the $50 of value. I think I barely got $13 of value. Like, I really do feel honestly gypped by this, and that's disappointing. Even me, who loves beauty subscriptions, like, I could see myself stopping this subscription after this bag. And compared to the other beauty subscriptions I got this month, those were so good. Just like way surpassed this one. So this one feels kind of like a waste of money. But let me do a quick recap. The only full-size product I got is this makeup sponge. That only retails for $6. Then I also got the teeny Tarte concealer, the minuscule amount of lip sleeping mask from Honey Jarret, the Pure Lease Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream, and the Goldfaden MD Light Treatment. But I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on any of these products if you've already tried them out. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.